my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep.
This is Sean's VRT Corrado. It's a OBD1 distributor setup. I believe it's a C2 Motorsports chip, stage 1, and most of the work was done by AP Tuning. I got the chance to check out this car. I actually saw the garage door open and Sean was working on something, so I stopped by because I know he had the car listed up for sale. And I got to talking with him, and it had some issues. It wasn't quite running right, so I told him that I know the car is pretty good and I'd be welcome to come over and take a look at it sometime. And after some diagnosing, I did a compression test on it and checked for spark, and we narrowed it down to a bad injector. So today I replaced the injector in it and got it running good. We took it out for a couple pulls, and it runs really good now.
It's only at $4 grand.
Yeah, it's pulling a lot harder now. Well, this was just a quick video, guys. Thanks for watching. Sean's car is for sale, but now that it's running right, I think he's having second thoughts about selling it. So if you're interested in more details, just get a hold of me and I can get you a hold of Sean. But this is definitely a clean car, and it's definitely worth what he's asking.